friends, welcome to my channel and I hope everybody's having a great day. Today I will be unboxing the prize that I won from Beauty Bio Science. As you guys know, I share a lot of things and some of them are things like this, like Beauty Bio, and they give you points every time someone clicks on your link or comment, and sometimes they will give you more points if you refer some people, and they do like a sweepstake every month and they choose some winners. Sometimes they choose 5 or more and those winners get a prize. So I was one of the June, I believe, winners, and I just received my prize from them, and I want to unbox this with you and see what I got. It says Advanced Skincare Baked by Science Beauty Bio, and it has this cute bubble wrap in pink color. Let's put this aside. Right away, I see that I have 3 things in here. The first one is the Quench. Okay, let's go by numbers. It says number 3. Let's see what is this. Let's see. Okay. We have 3 things. Okay, we have a Glow Pro right here. And I remember I saw this as one of the things that they were selling on TV in one of those channels, and the lady was rolling this on her face. Well, this is a Glow Pro micro needling generation tool, and it says that this will help stimulate their skin natural collagen. It's simple to use. It will give you younger and glowing skin, and it will improve the evenness on their skin tone, and it will be an alternative to cosmetic fillers. Let's open this and see what's inside. Let's check. It has a tape right here. Alright. Looks like this. I believe these are the instructions with something else. Oh, the skin prep pads, USB charger, wall charger. It has a sanitizing to sanitize the Glow Pro. It's empty. I think we have to okay, it has to be filled with alcohol to clean the Glow Pro, and the Glow Pro itself is right here. Let me take it out. It's right here. Alright. With this, I got some skin prep pads, and a sample of something that is called a cleanse, one that is the treat, and then the hydrate. So there are 3 steps. And in the back I can see more about those products. And then we have the instructions of how to use and wear. Okay, let me keep this so I can see what other products I have in hand right here. Next we have this, and I think this is like a challenge for 45 days. It says a complete age reversal in less than 45 days. And they are 3 phases. And it's called the R45 reversal. The reversal patented 3-phase titration therapy breaks through the anti-aging plateaus other products encounter, allowing your skin to access concentrations of active ingredients at clinical levels never before possible. Okay, so it's this, and inside you get the product with the instructions, little handbook here on how to use the R45, the reversal. Okay. And they look like this. It's like you see two jars and they go together in the pump. This is the phase 2, and this one is the phase 3. Okay, and the last thing is this, that it says number 3, but it's called the Quench. Let's open this. Let me take out the tape. There are other one. There's other one right here. Okay, and it looks like this. I like that it says in here, hydrated, right there. And it's a hashtag right here, thirsty skin. So by this, I can tell that this is a moisturizer. Look, it has something in there, like a scoop. I believe this is the scoop, the moisturizer. And you don't have to use your hand. Let's see if we have our instructions. No, the instructions are in the box. It says apply 1 dollop of cream directly on skin and massage gently. Can be used morning and evening, and avoiding, of course, eye contact. So by this, I think this is a moisturizer. Yes, and it's called the Quench. Okay, well guys, I feel like I just won the lottery because this is a lot. It's overwhelming, I know, but I think this is a lot of money, and I just got this for free just by sharing their link on my social media like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. So I feel lucky. In other words, I'm lucky. So there you go, guys. Of course, I will leave the link in the description box for you guys to sign in if you haven't, and take advantage of this type of ambassador programs. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!